this video, we will show you how to reset Epson A700 printer using adjustment programs. First, before you download these adjustment programs, you need to disable all of your antivirus, include Windows Real-Time Protection and the Tamper Protection if you are using Windows 10. After you disable all of your antivirus for temporary, you can download this resetter. We put link into description. After you download this resetter, you can just click and extract all. Then you can open the resetter folder, right click in adjustment program and choose run as administrator. Then click accept. Select particular adjustment mode in here. Choose wash ink pad counter and click OK. Please tick in the main pad counter options and then click button check. Then you can click button initialization. Make sure this option is still checked. Then you can click finish. Now you can turn off your printer and you can turn back your printer after the resetter works. That's all.